Let's go ahead and use our Semantic Feature Analysis map to help us describe words based on their category, their function, their appearance, and their location. Let's get started. Our mystery item is... ta-da! What is it? It's an apple. Very good. What is an apple? It's a fruit. What do we do with it? We eat it. What does it look like? It's red, it's round, and it's shiny. Where can we find it? We can find it in a grocery store or on a tree. Now we know all about apples. Let's try another word. Here's a hint. It has 4 legs, a wagging tail, and it says woof woof. Very good. It's a dog. Let's use our Semantic Feature Analysis map to describe a dog. What is it? Very good. A dog is an animal. Good job. What does it do? Dogs are great pets. They play and they protect and love their families. What does it look like? Dogs come in all different shapes and sizes. Some can be small, some can be big. They have fur, 4 legs, and a wagging tail. Where can we find dogs? You can find dogs at a home, at a park, or even at a pet store. Great job! We've learned all about dogs today. Let's try another one. Here's a hint. It's round, it's orange, and you can bounce it. What is it? Very good. It's a basketball. A basketball is a sports equipment. Very good. What does it do? It bounces up and down. What does it look like? Yes, it's round, it's orange, it has black stripes all over it. Where can we find it? We can find basketballs at the park, in the gym, or even in the sports store. Wonderful! Great job! You did fantastic!